Hey adventurers! Today we're hiking a hidden gem in Sandy, Utah, Rocky Mouth Waterfall. You need to hike this in the spring or summer because that's when the water is really flowing and it's really cool to see. So grab your water, lace up your boots, and let's go check it out. Rocky Mouth Waterfall is a short but sweet hike located just off of Wasatch Boulevard in Sandy, Utah. The trail is about 3/4 of a mile round trip with 278 feet of elevation gain. It is a super short hike, but it still has a little bit of incline just to get your blood pumping enough. It's family friendly, but remember that dogs are not allowed because this area is part of the Wasatch watershed. The parking lot for this trailhead is rather small, so please make sure to arrive early. And also, be considerate and do not park in the surrounding neighborhoods. The neighbors don't like that. This is just a friendly reminder that even though this is a short hike, you should still be prepared for anything. I promise we're not gearing up for war, just a battle with Mother Nature. Wear your sunscreen, bring more water than you think you need, and wear good shoes because it can get a little rocky and muddy near the falls. All the stairs. Today, we embark on a treacherous journey. There will be rocks, there will be stairs, there will be suburban mailboxes? Pro tip, if your GPS says you're in a neighborhood, you're in the right place. I know it feels weird pulling up next to someone's immaculately manicured lawn on a hike, but trust me, it's legit. Fortunately, there are trail signs everywhere, so it is pretty difficult to get lost. You'll do just a little bit of road hiking before you finally make the turn back onto the trail, and you guessed it, there's more stairs. Okay, I know I said this hike was less than a mile, which is basically a warm-up for most Utah hikers, but let's be honest, it is perfect for days when you want a little bit of nature without a full near-death experience. At least I'm getting some cardio in, right? Do you want to go on a fun side quest? You know I do. Let's go. So last time I hiked this trail, I came from Hidden Valley Park, which makes it a 2-mile trail round trip-ish. It is very steep, so just warning you. But if you come the BST way, you get some really cool, interesting side quests. Let me show you. So first, we come down this little hill and we're gonna turn this way. There's a cool little bridge and you can see the runoff from the water. But you have to see this bridge. This looks like something that's not even in Utah. What is that? Is that a cave? Why, yes, it is the bonus feature of our hike, the Rocky Mouth Cave. According to ancient scrolls, aka all trails, this is where the waterfall goblins keep their granola bars. Enter if you dare. If you listen closely, you can hear the whispers of hikers past. Or maybe just the wind. Either way, it smells like marijuana. I would not recommend going in there. Ooh, I can already see my first glimpse of the waterfall. We're almost there. it is, the waterfall. So cool. All right, so it's not a massive waterfall. It's not Niagara Falls by any means, but she's cute. Rocky Mouth Waterfall is fed by a natural spring and flows from about 40 feet high. This little hidden waterfall is a true gem and one of the most easily accessible waterfalls in the area. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy watching the water flow over the rocks. This is just your reminder that I am not responsible for any twisted ankles, so proceed with caution. These rocks are real slippery. That was Rocky Mouth Falls in Sandy, Utah. I'll give it a 10 out of 10 because you can pretty much get up to the falls and back to your car before you break a sweat, and maybe even before your iced coffee melts. So if you like this hike and this content, hope you'll like, subscribe, follow along for more fun adventures. What's your favorite waterfall? It's tough for me to choose. Rocky Mouth Falls is definitely up there. See you on the trail. Dun, 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 I don't know the Rocky theme song, but I know it goes something like that. Freaking kids. Looks kind of sketchy actually. And it stinks really bad. Na na na. Na na. I'm already out of breath. How did Rocky do this? Dang it, the kids found me. In case you want to know what it's like being a YouTuber, this is the third time I've done these stairs. Oh, F. I didn't bring any snacks.